Hi, Dominic here from Bliz. I'd like to present for you the BLIZ Flow. Now the BLIZ Flow is suited to normal sized faces and is specially developed for skiing, but they're also a brilliant choice for other demanding winter sports where comfort and flexibility are paramount. I will be going through the technical properties and also showing you how easy it is to change the lens and adjust the goggles for the best possible fit while you're skiing. All this so that you can feel confident and safe while maximising your performance.
Single or double lens in unbreakable XPC polycarbonate with 100% UV protection. Anti-fog treated inner lens in acetate. Frame ventilation for better internal air circulation. 3 layers of foam on the inside for a soft and comfortable facial fit. To adjust the band, grip the ends while pulling them away from each other. Silicone on straps inside. Grip the frame's top edge with one hand. Firmly take hold of the goggles with the other hand whilst bending the lens and the frame away from each other until the lens comes free. Continue along the entire edge of the lens until it's completely detached. You may need to use a little force to detach the lens. To attach the new lens, you start by inserting the lens at the nose pad in the middle. Work your way around the entire frame until the lens is fully in place. Finally, check the lens to ensure that it's completely fastened before you use the glasses.
Thanks very much for watching. Please follow us on social media, or why not just surf in to bliz.com and take a look at our wide range of models and colours. Until then, take care and remember to stay safe.